What is this circus?
It's an emergency situation.
Are these your people?
No, I run the assistance
They
coordination.
need to disappear today.
But I'm not the one who decides that. It's the police, the authorities. This area was given to us to use by the Vatican.
This land is mine. I want these people out of here, understood?
This is only a temporary
You
solution.
know, you're a fascinating woman and very enterprising, but you're distracted too easily. You need to remember my threats are never empty.
Christiana? Yes. Thanks for coming up. I've heard great things about you. Just doing my job. And your lives, too. So, what were you so eager to talk to me about? You were friends with Franco Marchili, Inspector Gabriel Marchili's father, weren't you? Yeah. We worked together.